Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Killer little car, guys. Actually just took it in on trade from a gentleman down in New Jersey. Super guy. But nice car. He's actually owned this car since 1993. This car has been restored since the early 90s, and you can't tell it wasn't done 5 years ago. Gorgeous Fathom green paint. It's got the white SS stripes, factory black vinyl interior, and this car is nice. This is the original color combination. Muncie 4-speed. It's got a 69 date coded 396 in it. Now, if you guys know anything about when they put the numbers on the blocks, sometimes these are underneath. There are numbers underneath this block. I cannot make them out. So they put them in a weird spot. So we can't call it a matching numbers car, but I can't make those numbers out. Again, car restored in the early 90s, so it's an older restoration. There's a couple little things that you can pick on it, but very, very nice car. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the 15-inch torque thrust Ds. You're going to see it's got all the original T3 headlights on it. And I'll tell you, Anthony kept this car nice. There's not a bunch of stone pecks or anything on this car. The paint is slick. They definitely had to replace those bumpers. The one in the rear's got a couple little marks on it that I'll show you. Pretty color combination. Again, it's factory code 57, Fathom green. Like I said, I saw a couple little stone packs, some little touch-up marks, but that's it, man. Really nice car. I apologize about the salt. It's just, welcome to spring in Michigan. Although we're turning the corner today, they say. All the original soft ray glass. Set a car out here for 2 seconds and it's covered in salt. It's crazy. I believe this car's got all the original body panels still on it. Look how nice he kept this car. And then this is the rear bumper I'm talking about. I don't know if it's got some, like a little scratching on it. It definitely could replace it. But, I mean, I just left it alone. I mean, it's just, you know, I want to show the car for what it is. It's just a good, honest car. Again, nice and straight down the sides. It definitely wouldn't hurt my feelings to put a little bit bigger tire on the rear. It's got 215s all the way around it. I think 255 60s in the rear would look meaty on this car. You can see it's got the chrome exhaust tips. Love the torque thrust Ds. It's got the front disc brakes. That is a nice car. Again, we know it's an error correct engine. Can't make out the numbers, guys. Holley performance dual feed 4-barrel, Performer RPM aluminum intake, power steering, power front disc brakes. Got the stock exhaust manifolds. It does have an MSD Pro Billet distributor in it, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Muncie 4-speed manual trans, aluminum radiator with a stock shroud. That is a pretty car, man. Again, there is some little, you know, wear in the glass, I guess you'd say, but this is the original front windshield. Stock mirrors. Door handles look real good. I'd say those have been replaced. These door rubbers definitely looks new. Door skins are nice and clean. You can see a little, you know, warp to the door pads. I'll bet you those are the original door pads. I think this car's got the original carpet in it, guys. Factory bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter, sports steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts and stuff in it. Headliner looks good. I'd say that's original. It's showing, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, 70,725. Said when he bought it, it had 60 on it. So he's put 10,000 miles on it in the time that he's owned it. You can see the Sun Protect, got an aftermarket radio. Everything seems to be working. Parking brake works. It is it's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. It also has a set of lake pipe traction bars, which are from the 90s. That's bolt-on stuff. If you don't like, you just take it right off. Factory jack with a torque thrust spare. Car cover goes with it. Again, good, solid, straight old car. Everything opens and closes nice. Like I said, the only thing you can really pick, if you want to pick something, is that rear bumper. And it's nice. It's just got a little, you know, scraping on it. Very easy fix. And if you wanted to put door pads on it. Touch your mark there. Owner's manual's in the glove box. And everything in here looks really nice. Runs out strong. Give a little rev, Gary. Tack works in there. Not much but a fuel gauge in there. That works. Yeah, doors open and close. Nice. Brake lights. Hit your brakes, Gary. There you go. Turn on. Put it in reverse. No idea what it's doing. I'll check it, guys. Give it a little rev, Gary. Good sound. I'll check it, Gary. Turn that radio on. Should just turn. Nope, just turn it. There you go. That's on. Radio works. Just got the on station. Blower motor works. Yeah, doors open and close. Nice wipers. It's got all the original T3 headlights. Yeah, we got a blinker up front now. We're going to see if this one's okay. Yeah. Guys, again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Let's take this thing for a run.